Take cotton balls, enough to fill the jar, and some cups of water. Take a stick to stir, and add in your first color of paint. Mix it with the stick. Do the same with the rest of the colors. Now, take the jar and the cotton balls, open the jar, and take about 3 to 4 cotton balls. Make sure your surface is covered with plastic wrap or newspaper so that nothing spills, and if it does, it can be easily wiped away. Add in 3 to 4 cotton balls and push them into the very bottom. Now, take your first color of paint and pour it in. Using the stick, push down the cotton balls just like this. Be careful not to pour too much. If you need to, pour in a little more. Add in some more cotton balls and repeat with the next color. Once you've done them all, it should look something like this. You can see all the colors. Another cool thing you can do is go into a room, shine a flashlight, turn off the light, and place it behind, underneath, and to the